I will talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Airbnb app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. So when you click on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Then all you have to do, you just go down here. So you keep going down, then you click here on apps, then come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Airbnb app here. Just click on it here or click here on search, then here add Airbnb app, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here. Just click here on first stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, just click here on storage. You come to storage list here, just click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, so you just go to your place or you click on it here. So then you search here for Airbnb app. It's going to show for you like this. If they click on it here, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.